Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can attach documents or in general files to your tasks and chores you add to your Sunsama workspace, like instructions for example, and so on and so forth. So let us dive into this. Navigate to your workspace in the Sunsama app. Let me go to the given task, and what will be needed to do, guys, is to click into the given task here in the calendar overview. And here next to the comment section, you will see that paperclip icon. Now you can't do this through these three dots in the top right. As you can see, there's no option like this, but you can attach, for example, I don't know, PDF documents to the comment section by clicking into this button, attach file. After that, you will be redirected to the upload window here in the top left so that you may locate the file, for example, in PDF or Word file format on your device to upload it to your comment. Leave also a comment. You may leave also a comment here if you like. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.